Good morning, students. This is your English class. I am Dr. Monica. Today we will start the novel Kanthapura, written by Raja Rao. But before starting the novel, it's very necessary to know about the writer Raja Rao. Raja Rao, born on November 5th, 1908 in Mysore. He belongs to an orthodox Brahmin family. His father was a professor at Hyderabad. राजा राव का जन्म 5 नवंबर 1908 को मैसूर में हुआ और वो एक पारंपरिक रूढ़िवादी ब्राह्मण परिवार से संबंध रखते थे। उनके पिता हैदराबाद में प्रोफेसर थे। एजुकेशन राजा राव received his early education at Hyderabad and after matriculation he went to Aligarh for higher education. He did his graduation from Nizam College, Hyderabad, and he granted government scholarship by the Hyderabad University, and on this scholarship he went to France to continue his study of French literature. He worked for a doctorate degree at the University of Sorbonne. Life in France. It was in France that Raja Rao wrote his first novel Kanthapura in 1938. His second novel, The Serpent and the Rope, he wrote in 1960, was also written in France and has France as its setting. Raja Rao also wrote two short stories in 1930 and 1947. Life in America. Raja Rao visited America in 1950 at the age of 42. He found America and especially young Americans and their ideology very fascinating. He delivered lectures on Indian philosophy at various American universities and ultimately settled in USA. He taught Indian philosophy at the University of Texas. 1950 में राजा राव अमेरिका गए। वहाँ उन्होंने देखा कि यंग अमेरिकन्स, यंग जनरेशन ऑफ अमेरिका एंड देयर आइडियोलॉजी और उनकी जो विचारधारा है वो बहुत ही फैसिनेटिंग है। अमेरिकन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के अंदर राजा राव ने इंडियन फ़िलोसफ़ी पर लेक्चर डिलीवर किए और अल्टीमेटली वो यूएसए में सेटल हो गए। यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्सास के अंदर उन्होंने इंडियन फ़िलोसफ़ी, भारतीय दर्शन शास्त्र को पढ़ाया। रूट्स इन इंडिया. In spite of the fact that he stayed in foreign countries for many years, Raja Rao didn't forget his motherland. He made a deep and thorough study of Indian philosophy in Banaras and spent some time at the ashram of Mahatma Gandhi. राजा राव यूएसए में सेटल हो गए, लेकिन वो अपनी जड़ों को नहीं भूले। इंडियन फिलॉसफी को सीखने के लिए, भारतीय दर्शन शास्त्र को सीखने के लिए कुछ समय उन्होंने बनारस में बिताया और उसके बाद कुछ समय उन्होंने महात्मा गांधी के आश्रम में बिताया। He acts as a bridge between the East and the West. Raja Rao wrote in an article published in the Illustrated Weekly of India that he was influenced by so many languages. For example, he was obsessed with Sanskrit, fascinated with Malayalam, mother tongue Kannada naturally touches, French as a language of aristocracy, Italian as a musical language. He values English because Shakespeare wrote in it. He values Urdu because it has Ghalib. Hindi seems to have the young rolling cadence of Ganga at Haridwar. So Raja Rao acts as a bridge between the East and the West. राजा राव ने पूर्वी और पश्चिमी सभ्यता को जोड़ने का काम किया। इन्फ्लुएंस. Raja Rao was influenced by many peoples. First, he was influenced by his guru Swami Atmanand, who was a great scholar of Vedantic philosophy. Raja Rao was influenced by Shakespeare, Plato. He was influenced by Gandhi's My Experiment with Truth. He was also influenced by French writers Paul Valéry, André Kafka, Gorky, and Walt Whitman. Raja Rao has been awarded the Padam Bhushan and he won the Sahitya Academy Award for his novel The Serpent and the Rope. Most critics consider The Serpent and the Rope to be the best Indo Anglican novel ever written. Rajarao was also nominated for the Nobel Prize for Literature. Rajarao has received national and international fame and recognition. He is hardly 5 feet tall but has a good personality, and his appearance is like that of a great intellectual. He is a great philosopher, he is a great novelist, and is full of life. Thank you.